In today's world, successful product development is about how fast and efficiently we could get to market. We all must be as productive as possible when using our design tools. Instead of navigating the workspace to find the following command, you will now be able to enhance your design experience with the new Fusion 360 Electronics keyboard shortcut feature. A feature that allows you to assign keystroke shortcuts to a single command or a complete command line sequence, a helpful script, or execute a user language program. An excellent example of this new feature is assigning shortcuts to easily access your schematic bill of material, or possible a different view of your design statistics. My favorite use for this feature is creating a shortcut that will allow me to easily access a command that allows me to highlight assets on the circuit board from a selection I've defined on the schematic. I also noticed that participants in the Insider program told me that they were using it to switch grids while routing and placing parts. Defining keyboard shortcuts is going to make your design time be more productive.